We're back with another episode of Wrap Wednesday, and things are about to heat up. Oh, that's hot. Heat is used in multiple ways for color vinyl. The first reason why you would actually use heat is for stretching. Check this out. As I heat, you can see that vinyl really stretch. It kind of changed the shape of the whole vinyl. When you are wrapping curvatures or bumpers or things that have that concave, you're wanting to stretch it in and really form it into it. Another use of heat is the reverse, right? So vinyl are what we call memory based. And what that means is if you heat it, it will go back to its original form. Check this out. There you have it. And now it's close to the original. And that's what's really nice about vinyl is that you can have multiple attempts. So let's say you stretch it, you could actually peel it back, reheat it, get it back to its original, and then have another go. The last part is going to be something called post-heating. Let's just say that this section right here is a panel that I've finished. I didn't put a lot of pressure in this middle section. I did put a lot of pressure right here. At the end of every single wrap job, you want to heat that section. And you can see this side, I had a lot of pressure, and this one, I did not put enough pressure. When you post-heat, it makes sure that it doesn't go back to its original form, and you're killing that memory, and you're making it pretty much set in stone. It also shows if you didn't squeegee it hard enough. So in this case, I didn't squeegee hard enough so all these bubbles actually start forming up. I would need to really go back to it and make sure that I squeegee. That pretty much sums up everything about heating and why you would heat vinyl. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. We'll see you next Wednesday. And that's a wrap.